Hey guys, Leia here from Unbox. True to the name of our channel, we will be unboxing something today, and it's something big. This is a COOCAA 50S5G Android TV. Now, if you're not familiar with the brand, they launched in the Philippines a couple of days ago, but they've been around for a while since 2006 in Shenzhen, China. Since then, they've been available in other parts of Southeast Asia like Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia, where these TVs are being manufactured. Now, they are available here in the Philippines exclusively via Lazada. So enough chit-chat, let's get to the unboxing. I know that a lot of us don't really pay attention to the box or just get rid of it or keep it once we've already removed what's inside, but the guys from COOCAA told us that there is a surprise inside every COOCAA TV box. They call it an Easter egg, and ours has a cute cutout of an elephant. So I can imagine moms and dads just having fun doing arts and crafts with their kids, aside from, of course, watching TV together. So before we talk about the TV itself, let's check out what else is inside the box. So aside from the stands, which we obviously already installed, you also get a wall mount, which is great because you don't have to buy one anymore. And of course, you have the usual documentations. So you have the quick start guide, you have a letter from COOCAA, and you have a 1-year warranty. So you have to fill this in and send this here, this address. But you should remember to keep this card, don't lose it, because this gives you a 1-year warranty extension. So that's an equivalent of 2 years. This is COOCAA's flagship, the 50S5G Android TV. So yeah, it's 50 inches, and as you can see, the bezels are very slim. It has a 97% screen-to-body ratio. Ours came in the gorgeous champagne gold color variant, although it's also available in onyx black. Regardless of which color you choose, I can see it blending in your home beautifully. If you do not have a lot of space, they do have a 40-inch option, but it won't be in 4K. Now to get the specs out of the way, this TV runs on Android 8.0. It has 2.56 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of ROM. It's an ultra-high definition TV, so you can really appreciate 4K content. It has all the ports you could ever need, your usual AV input, LAN, 3 HDMI ports, and 2 USB ports. As expected of Android TVs, you have access to a lot of content. We're Netflix addicts like a lot of you guys, I'm guessing, so let's test out the 4K shows and see how good they look on this TV. You get sharp images, the colors are vibrant, it's clear from every viewing angle. I mean, I can see myself binge watching and really enjoying my favorite shows on this TV. I also want to mention that there is a suggested viewing distance. So for a 50-inch TV, it's 2 to 3.2 meters and 1.3 to 2 meters for the 40-inch variant. It will give you a better viewing experience, and I guess it's also a way to avoid eye strain. We don't want to sit too close to our TV. Sometimes you just want to quickly share something from your phone to your friends and family, and casting it to your TV is the easiest way to go about it. It's great that this TV has that feature built in. TV is not just about the visuals. Audio plays a really important role too. I mean, I can't imagine you having a fully immersive experience if your speaker quality isn't that good. The COOCAA 50S5G has down-firing stereo speakers that sound better than we expected. You get a lot of volume out of them, but try not to disturb your neighbors too much or blow them out for that matter. Let's quickly talk about the remote. Honestly, it feels a little flimsy, so we advise you to take care of it. If you want to use voice commands on Google Assistant, just press the mic button, and when prompted to, press the home and left button at the same time to enter pairing mode. Aside from that, everything's self-explanatory and easy to use. The designated Netflix and Google Play buttons give you faster access to your favorite shows. The tagline of COOCAA is play in your style, and that's exactly what this TV offers. It has all the standard features of an Android TV, nothing groundbreaking, no new technology, but what will get you is the price. The suggested retail price is 27,790 pesos, but the launching price is only 22,990 pesos. Now, because this is a Lazada exclusive, we were told that they will be giving out vouchers, amazing deals, great prices, so you may even get this TV at a lower price. So follow them at Lazmall if you're interested. Earlier, I mentioned that this is their flagship TV. If you're working on a budget or find that you won't be needing all the features of this device, COOCAA does have other options. They have a smart TV with Netflix built in, so this is perfect for those who love watching movies and TV shows. You look at the remote and you have the Netflix button right there, and you can cast too. This one is at 40 inches, it's a full HD TV, so picture quality is still pretty good. Again, it's very well priced. The SRP is at 18,990 pesos, but the launching price is only 12,990 pesos. Follow them on Lazmall for more details. Again, COOCAA TVs come with a 2-year warranty, and they have over 155 service centers in the Philippines. So what do you think of this new TV brand? Would you consider buying their products? Let us know in the comment section. That's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is Leia. Bye!